In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid on Big Cartel. Whether you're an artist, a small business owner, or an independent creator, Big Cartel is a fantastic platform that allows you to showcase and sell your work online. But once your store is all set up, the next big question is, how do you get paid? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you can receive payments smoothly and start growing your business. First things first, head over to Big Cartel's homepage. This is your gateway to free, easy online stores tailored specifically for artists and small businesses. On the homepage, you'll find plenty of information about what Big Cartel offers, but our focus today is logging into your account. So, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. Now that you've reached the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL. Your shop URL is essentially your storefront's web address. It's how customers find you online. It's a unique identifier for your store, so make sure you enter it correctly. After inputting your shop URL, the next step is to enter your password. Hopefully, you've chosen a strong and secure one. Remember, keeping your account secure is crucial, not just for your sake, but also to protect your customers' information. With your login credentials entered, it's time to access your Big Cartel dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Your dashboard provides a complete overview of your online store, including sales, products, and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is will make managing your store much more straightforward. Next, navigate to the account section from your dashboard. Finding this might vary slightly depending on any updates to Big Cartel's interface, but generally it's located within easy reach. The account section is where you can manage your personal and store information, including how you get paid. Once you're in the account section, look for an option that says Set up your payment options, or something along those lines. Click on this to proceed to the next crucial step. Big Cartel offers different payment options to choose from, ensuring that you can select the one that best fits your business model and personal preference. This brings us to the pivotal point, selecting your preferred payment methods. Big Cartel supports various options including PayPal, Stripe, and Square, among others. Each has its benefits such as ease of use, customer familiarity, and security features. Consider what works best for your store and your customers. You might want to research each option a bit, or even use multiple methods to provide flexibility for your customers. As you select your preferred payment methods, keep a few things in mind. Think about the transaction fees associated with each service, how long it takes to process payments, and the geographical location of your customer base. Some payment services are better suited for international transactions than others. Making an informed choice here is crucial for the smooth operation of your store and satisfaction of your customers. After you've selected your payment methods, follow the prompts to connect your chosen services to your Big Cartel store. This usually involves logging into your payment accounts and authorizing Big Cartel to accept payments on your behalf. Take your time with this step to ensure everything's set up correctly. A mistake here could delay your ability to receive payments, so it's worth double checking all the details. And there you have it. You're now all set to get paid on Big Cartel. Remember, managing an online store involves regular maintenance and updates, so keep an eye on your payment settings and be open to adjusting as your business grows and evolves. We've covered a lot today, from logging into your Big Cartel account to setting up your payment options. Each step is crucial in ensuring you can smoothly receive payments for your products or services. So take your time, follow these steps carefully, and don't hesitate to revisit any section if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your Big Cartel store. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials designed to help you thrive in the world of online business. Here's to your success.